Welcome to your quick guide on how to activate your RemitBee Travel eSIM. Let's get started. First, access the activation instructions by opening the RemitBee app and navigating to the Usage tab of your eSIM. Alternatively, you can find the instructions sent to you via email. Step 1. Choose an activation method. Method 1. Click the activation link. Method 2. Long press the QR code image and select the eSIM option or scan the QR code. Method 3. Go to Settings, then Mobile Data, click Add eSIM and follow the instructions. Step 2. If activating via email, open the email, long press on the QR code image and select the eSIM option, or click the activation link to start. Step 3. Once your eSIM is ready to activate, tap Continue. Wait for the eSIM to connect to the network. Your eSIM is now activated. Step 4. On the default line screen, select your primary SIM. The travel eSIM doesn't provide calling or SMS services, so this ensures proper functionality. Step 5. On the iMessage and FaceTime screen, select your primary SIM to keep these services tied to your regular phone number. Step 6. Now select your travel eSIM as the provider for your data access. This ensures all mobile data usage is routed through your eSIM. To avoid unexpected roaming charges, make sure the data switching option is disabled. Final check. Go to Settings, Cellular, tap on your cellular data, Travel eSIM, and ensure data roaming is enabled for the eSIM. Optional. While you are inside the eSIM screen, you can rename it for ease of use. Go to the cellular plan label and choose a name like Travel eSIM. To check your eSIM usage, expiry date, and remaining data, simply open the RemitBee app on your device. Tap on the eSIM you purchased, then go to the Usage tab. There you'll be able to see your current data usage, when your eSIM expires, and how much data you have left. Your travel eSIM is now fully activated and ready to keep you connected wherever you go. Safe travels with RemitBee.